So hello and welcome back. My name is Thorsten Rapp from the IBM storage team here in Germany. And I have two very special guests with me today, with Sally Neate as the product manager for IBM Flash Systems and Storage Insights. So great having you. And having back here Akshat Mithal, as well as the architect basically for Storage Insight. And we had the pleasure last year as well to have a video. So great to have you back. As having you both here with me, of course, the question I have to ask is, how is Storage Insight going? And basically, actually, for the new ones, what is Storage Insight?
Yeah, that's a great question, Torsten, and thanks very much for having us here. It's been fantastic talking with all of our great users in Germany. So Storage Insights, IBM Storage Insights, is IBM's solution to help users understand, monitor and observe their storage and infrastructure. And we've been developing a really comprehensive set of capabilities to help users, no matter whether they're brand new novices or really storage experts, get the most out of their storage in terms of utilizing it, optimizing it, and helping simplify management tasks and planning for the future. One of the big focus areas for us as well is how we can make use of AI to really help people get the best out of their storage.
I mean, AI is the topic of the hour, right?
Absolutely.
AI everywhere. Yeah. So now I'm curious. I mean, can you describe a bit more on how you have embedded AI, or respectively what you're doing with AI in Storage Insight?
Sure thing, yeah. And this will probably be a good time for Akshat, as one of our architects, to talk more about those features in depth.
Sure. Thank you, Sally. And thank you, Thorsten, for hosting me again and for hosting this great event. It is a much wider audience we have now and very nice interactions we had. So coming on to the Storage Insights, what we have been delivering since last year, there are tons of features. So the first one I would like to talk about is Workload Placement Advisory that helps the customers decide which is the right storage for them to move a certain workload. Then we have Workload Migration functionality enabled as well with Flash System, Flash Grid. With that, customers can move a certain partition to a certain workload. Then, as Sally talked about, ransomware threat detection a lot in this overall session. So here with Storage Insights Pro, you have real-time ransomware threat detection, where under a minute you get to know if your workload is impacted by ransomware threat. Then we have additional functionalities like Ceph integrations, and we have REST API capabilities enabled as well, where we can do a lot of integrations with our partners like ServiceNow, IBM Defender, and QRadar as well.
Quite impressive improvement since we talked last, right? So that's very interesting. And I think what's obvious to me is that as well, and having you as a person be responsible for the Flash development and the Storage Insight development, that's something that you can't really basically take apart, because it's basically one then dovetailed, right? So
absolutely, yeah. It's all about trying to help bring those pieces together to make life for our users as easy as possible. And we've got lots more in store coming as well that we think is going to help in the future.
That's exciting. So if you are now here with customers or customers overall, and what would be their general reaction, right? How do they perceive the offering, the combination, Flash System, Storage Insight, and all the features you mentioned?
So I think the ransomware detection feature in particular has been resonating with everybody. That's such a critical problem for everybody today.
Very tangible, right?
Very tangible, and people have a lot of concerns over it. And what really excites me about the capabilities that we've got between Flash System and Storage Insights is because we're able to offer some really unique capabilities with things like our FlashCore module that allows us to detect ransomware quicker than any other solution that I know that's available today. And I think people understand that having those capabilities that enables them to detect attacks quickly and recover very quickly, it's really industry leading at the moment, and that's definitely something that people have been responding to.
And additionally, we have worked tirelessly to have a UI simplification implemented. Now we have Storage Insights new dashboard that will be rolled out very soon, and that's going to be our default landing dashboard. We have added a lot of widgets around workload protection, system protection, environment, and sustainability aspects.
I mean, what we see is that a lot of our business partners are as well proactively always combining Flash system with Storage Insight because of all the benefits you just mentioned. So I think that's encouraging. So I'm very curious if we're going to meet the next time, what additional features and additional improvements you're going to present. So
Absolutely.
thanks a lot for the
Stay
interview.
tuned.
Oh, we will. Thanks a lot. Great having you here. And yeah, see you soon on this channel.